Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share fun and creative DIY projects. In today's video, we'll show you how to make slime without glue, using just a few household items. Step 1. Gather ingredients. The first thing you'll need is some cornstarch. We're going to mix that with water to create a paste-like consistency. You'll also need some liquid soap or dish soap and a mixing bowl. Step 2. Mix cornstarch and water. In your mixing bowl, add 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of water. Mix it together until it forms a thick, paste-like consistency. Step 3. Add soap. Next, add a few drops of liquid soap or dish soap to the mixture. You can use any type of soap you have on hand, but we recommend using clear or white soap to avoid any color mixing. Step 4. Mix together. Mix everything together until you have a smooth and stretchy slime. If your slime is too thick, add a little bit more water. If it's too thin, add more cornstarch. Step 5. Playtime. And that's it. You've made slime without glue. Now it's time to get creative and have some fun. You can add food coloring or glitter to make your slime even more exciting. Store your slime in an airtight container to keep it fresh. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to make slime without glue. We hope you enjoyed it and give it a try yourself. If you have any other DIY requests, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun and easy projects.